This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So this comes in a really nice carrying case. So what you're gonna do is in your vehicle, somewhere around your driver feet, you're gonna see a plug that's kind of like this. So for ours, it's right here. For you, it could be anywhere under here. So it could be anywhere along under here somewhere. And then what you do is you just simply plug this into it. So what you'll do is you turn the key to the on position. You don't have to have your vehicle running unless there's certain things, then you can. So if you can see here, we can do the battery test. So we can see the battery 11.2 or 11.9 volts, a little lower. We can go under our OB, you can do a lookup, review, settings. OB is gonna scan. So we're gonna go okay. You can do quick scan, you can read your codes, you can clear your codes, you can do an exhaust test, you can freeze frame, live data. If you're doing live data, you're gonna want your vehicle running. Mode 6, mode 8, vehicle information, fuel analysis. All right, so we can see under the settings here. So it checked our exhaust. Sometimes you want to have that running when you're doing that as well. So if we do quick scan, it talks to the computer. It goes through our settings here. Goes through and just make sure everything's okay. And then you can read any codes that have popped up. So overall, this is actually a nice OB. I do like this. You can do F1 or F2 to quickly go through IM readiness and all that stuff. Overall, it's definitely really nice.